Dumelang Lord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am obviously heartbroken because I lost my previous channel at 8k subscribers. Please do give your girl some love. My landlords, Umkhokha The Curse, it's just cursing me, or I don't know. But okay. Uzamcolo decides to say he is going to accept this girl, right? I don't know what was the conclusion was, but that part was not shown. But what we know is that this girl is Kwamtembu and he is serving and he is taking care of Umkhululi. All right, girl pieces of umabusi and udonsi camp nje ukuthi hey you know ukuthi umkhululi naye uyakhathala anyeka dle into eyi1 in unginika ama recipe wena manzimande azoyenza ukuthi ngikwazi ukuvusa umkhululi. And umabusi is right there, like you could see ukuthi you're the tension. But when she went Sibahle to take ijuice kumkhululi, ugirl athi umkhululi right na or uqela ukuthi ngimfudumezela amashit. I was like no Sibahle, no. Like Sibahle is said to be a virgin, right? And no, the things she says don't make sure. But nonetheless, Uspamandla almost got tempted, but he fought the temptation. Went to Umungake the following day, Umabusi, and they spoke about, like he tried to have a conversation, but Umabusi was not having it. Umabusi like gave him this cold shoulder, this cold performance. So we all know where it emanates from, but Umkhululi is as if he doesn't understand. I don't know why he doesn't understand. There's this thing that has been said to you, we've not spoken about it, and why are we acting cool? But Umanzimande was able to address and say, remember Uguti, it's not easy to share vele amen, but you will always remain the first wife no matter what happens. You will always remain the first Uspamandla. And I'm like, is that supposed to even comfort? Like really, is it supposed to comfort Umabusi and make her feel better? Ayangeke guys. Today I'm all about Umabusi ne abanye sobabona. Ugel vele angisho indaba yakhe ayisucceedanga, so ugel ahamba yo report akibo uSibahle. Hi mama ngimmarinatele uzamcolo did not get marinated. I marinated him, he did not get marinated. Where to from here? Hi umama ayokhuluma nobani nobaba. Undlovu. Usibahle tried to marinate uzamcolo, but the marinade didn't happen. Where to from here? He lost it Undlovu. A beautiful girl that is up to date, that has everything, that has not been touched by a man in her life, cannot get Umkhululi. No, it cannot be. Do better. But uzamcolo makakhuluma noNomafu. uNomafu is crying. uNomafu is bleeding. uNomafu cannot take this. And uzamcolo made a decision to say, I am going to wait for my wife. 3 months might seem like a very long time, but 3 months is nothing for the person that you love. So I will therefore, as uzamcolo, as your savior, I will make sure that for that 3 months I am pure. I do not sleep with any other woman. Guys, I was like, hayi uzamcolo userious. Kholiane umkhandlo and addresses umkhandlo and tells umkhandlo ukuthi guys pholani njengomdoko, but what you want me to do is not going to happen. So I'm not going to take Sibahle as my second wife, and my decision stands. The council tried. Hey, they tried their best. They tried to convince him, but he stood and said, I am not going to marry Sibahle. I am going to remain with uNomafu. I love uNomafu. She's the wife of my youth, and she's the wife that I am going to march orders with until the wheels fall off. But it's obvious ukuthi uNdlovu doesn't back down, right? Even after Zamcolo's decision to say, I don't want Sibahle must go back home, ufostile uguy wathi uSibahle must stay because uZamcolo uzodividiwa avele nje amapuna kuma social media, and that will harm the image of the church. With that said, we don't know ukuthi what is the decision, because the three members of the council stood up and left and didn't want to entertain it. However, the person that was not part of the meeting was uPhakathwayo, because uPhakathwayo is still torn and depressed and stressed about the whole thing Umkhokha, and all he wants to do is to give himself to Umkhokha so that Umkhokha does not finish any of his remaining kids. But Uzodwa has received a breakthrough. The ritual that he did with the sangoma of smoking the pipe literally did the trick, because after she was high and dry and like, yeah, you could see that she was just into the smoking of the pipe. Uzodwa was able to see the new house Yakamam Zobe with everything in it and entered the house. Upon entering the house, Ugro was able to see where the bag is. Will this be the breakthrough that we need, or will the storyline of the bag still also drag? I don't know. But this is your girl, Disable D. Thank you for watching. I love you. Peace. Bye.